Hi girls, today we have something super fun. If you love to do your own nails but want to spice them up, make them a little extra fun and more custom.
All we're gonna need is this Kitchie Gem Kit by Beauty Secret. It's really cute, and it also comes with a tool if you can see it right there.
So if you're wondering what nails I'm wearing, it's this set by Luxie. It's called Bougie.
And in this kit, you're gonna find the glue that we're using for this. So it comes right in this box. We're gonna start by taking out the tools. That way you guys can see. All you have to do is gently pull it back and the whole lid will come off.
To make the application a little bit easier, you can grab a nail file and lightly buff on the area where you're gonna put the charm on. Add a little bit of glue to the area you buffed. And then place your charm over that and let it dry for about 30 seconds. Look at that little bow, isn't that so cute? You can make the gems face you like this, or you can put them facing outward so that you can see them this way. I do a combination of both, just so that I can see them when I'm doing this. This is a really fun way to customize your press-ons. There's no right or wrong way, you just have fun with it. How cute is that? And I'm all done. I love how they look. What do you guys think? And the best part is I still have so many more gems for other future nail sets. Let us know if you enjoyed this DIY and what other nail sets would you like us to customize.